Okay, wanted to give you a quick preview on some up and coming videos. Had an evaporator coil leak here and doing a change out, which led to a bunch of different videos. Need to replace the pan,
there it is, bubbling right there,
the coil itself, and a conversion to MO99, recovering the existing
similar spot to the last one I had,
R22, and a bunch of different things involved with this. Hope you enjoy the videos. Just wanted to give you an idea of what's coming.
The right thing here. All on the cart, ready to go.
Yep, there's a lot involved in evaporator coil change out, and even more than the stuff you see here. But what you see here is the recovery tank, the MO99, leak seek bubbles, vacuum pump, the recovery machine, my torches for acetylene, nitrogen for purging and flushing, pump oil, vacuum pump, I already said that, my wet dry vacuum, evaporator coil, and my gauges. Actually wound up needing more than that, as the pan also needed to be changed out. So it's a good idea to change the pan at the same time as you change a coil, as those pans often, especially with a slant coil, the pan sits underneath and it's just nearly impossible to completely clean out the pan each time, so it gets built up with quite a bit of dirt and stuff. So in these upcoming videos, I'll be showing you some of the things I did right and calling out some of my mistakes, and you can learn from both. Just wanted to give you a preview of some of the videos coming up. I'm going to try to split them into smaller videos so that they're smaller chunks, a little bit easier to absorb each piece, but perhaps we'll put them either together into a playlist or into a complete whole video. First is the troubleshooting of the unit. Had a compressor that would not start, and trying to put these videos into digestible form where you can watch them and not get too bored with a super long video. So we'll try to split it up into some easier to watch videos and do a few different things with those, Lord willing.
That was it. The moral of the story is don't give up too easy. Ooh.